Run and save a query in gDoc 2.0. UN staff, sign in with your un.org email address. The query function is a generic feature that is available in all list views in gDoc 2.0. Click on the three-dot menu on the top right side of the screen, New Query. You now get the query panel, Add Condition. We'll add the condition simple 1. Let's add another condition, in this case, request type / document type. For this query, we'll add is not blank. We have added the following parameters. Simple contains unip /OZL, request type / document type is not blank. Let's apply the filter. Click Apply Filters. We now get a long document list for simple unip /OZL based on request type / document type is not blank. You can now save the query. If you open the dashboard later, you can then rerun the query. Click on Run Saved Query. Click on the three-dot menu next to the saved query. There you get the option to rerun the saved query. The run query now retrieves your saved query list. Thank you. See you in the next gDoc 2.0 tutorial.